Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy USDT on Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you have to locate your Binance app first and then open it. And then at the bottom here, you have home markets, trade futures and wallets. So we'll be showing you one way to do it. You're going to click on wallets, and to buy USDT, we need to get to spot. So we can get to spot by swiping to the left, and it takes us to spot. Or if we're in overview, we could simply tap on spot. And then we're going to come over here to the search icon. Of course, you can scroll to look for your USDT, or we could come over here and search for USDT. Now, when we find it, we're going to click on it. And then you have some options here to do some transactions. Well, since we want to buy USDT, we will be choosing the option to buy with USD. So we're going to select buy with dollars. You get to put the amount. So we're going to go with minimum amount. So when it comes to the payment method, we're going to click here. And you have the option to use perfect money, Skrill or fiat payment using your card. If you do not have a card, you will be asked to add a card. When you select add a card, you can now add the card, and after adding the card, you can now go ahead and purchase your USDT. So this is one way you can buy USDT on Binance. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.